Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. These are MN straps and they're comfortable, also fun to wear, but also come with a bit of a challenge, and that is how to latch this hook. So let me show you. If this is the first time you are using MN strap, then it might be difficult to latch the hook. Okay. In this video I will show you the method that I'm using, and hopefully it will help you to latch the MN strap hook. So first, pull this end a bit further, so not just here but just slightly further like this, okay, and hold this tip or hold this hook with your middle finger side, okay, and your thumb like this. And then there are two ways to do this. First is you pull this keeper buckle using your index finger until it shows this opening, okay, between the fabric and the buckle, and then slide in the hook there. Or also you can do this, hold the hook and then push between the fabric and this one, the buckle, like this, and then use your index finger to pry or to pull this one, the keeper buckle, and then it will slide inside the keeper buckle. So yeah, those are two things that you can try. So the first one, pull this open and then slide in the hook, or the second one, just push here and then pull the buckle using your index finger or the nail of your index finger, whichever is easier for you. And that's all. I hope this simple video will help you, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.